Elena Amato. I'm the Managing Director of Investments at Community Investment Management. Community Investment Management is the institutional asset manager that operates in both United States and emerging markets and invests via credit facilities in financial technology companies that promote financial inclusion. Well, first of all, I heard so much about FLII, I decided I couldn't miss it. And FLII is a network of a lot of like-minded professionals. So we wanted to make sure that CIM participates in the impact space, in this aggregation of community of Latin America, and not only. I mean, there are a lot of international investors like ourselves, European, and people who are promoting a lot of good in the region, and we wanted to be part of it. CIM creates credit facilities for financial technology companies. We usually like to come in with important size to the companies when they are ready to scale, when their product market fit has already been established, when they are ready to take their company to a different level. We create asset-backed facilities for our financial technology companies in both the United States and in emerging markets. And the size usually ranges anywhere between $30 to $100 million. It depends on the jurisdiction. In Latin America, we are now at 7 investments. Our biggest exposure continues being Mexico. We like talent in Mexico. We see a lot of very interesting founders that are building quite unique companies. Their companies bring significant financial disruption in the system. They are working on financial inclusion. Their main goals frequently is to serve the segment of the market that's completely underserved, either completely unbanked or poorly banked. There are a lot of SMEs that are having troubles in the region about raising debt and not having any access to credit, either via term loans or with credit cards. So these are the type of businesses we're trying to support. A lot of our portfolio companies, they've created very unique technology that disrupts this ecosystem. Our portfolio companies go into the market and reach their constituencies via the data they are collecting, either through their telephone use, if it's individual consumers, or via e-commerce trade that's happening on different platforms. So this unique data that is being collected enables a lot of our companies to do very efficient customer-specific underwriting. The fintechs that we work with use very unique type of data that they're collecting via different platforms where their clients operate. And that can be e-commerce companies that buy and sell on particular platforms, e-commerce platforms in the region. And this data that's available, the fact that you can estimate sales, that you can see the trends, that you know the seasonality, all of this very rich and profound data enables very unique underwriting for our fintechs, and we're trying to develop and support that. The goal of our emerging market strategy and the mandate is global. We are operating in both Latin America, in India, in Southeast Asia, in Africa. Latin America continues to be the focus of our fund. We like the talent that we're seeing here. We like the risk. We are becoming more and more familiar with the risk and how to manage it. The talent that we are seeing is quite unique and very robust. The companies that are being created are very strong. We really, in the next 3 to 5 years, we would like to at least double our exposure here, if not triple. You know, that's the extent of our appetite in the region, and we hope to be able to accomplish that. I can speak about my segment, which is financial inclusion. The gap of in credit access in the region is still very, very large. There is so much to be done, not only from the angle of impact and financial inclusion, but also there is a lot of aggressive return to be made in the region. The region continues to provide a lot of opportunities. If we're talking about Mexico specifically, nearshoring is a big trend that's here to stay, and there are a lot of very talented individuals that are trying to take advantage of that. So there is a lot of opportunities for continued investments, and we are here to stay.